would like to introduce our 185 CFM tow-behind diesel air compressor manufactured by Rotair. Complete rotary screw air compressor driven by a Perkins diesel engine. Control panel offers a pressure gauge, a digital hour meter, on-off switch, a low-level oil light, engine battery light, as well as a heater plug. When the heater plug turns off, the unit will be ready to start. We also offer a 3-valve discharge for multiple hoses. The unit also comes complete with a package brake light system. Let's start her up. Push button start. As you can see, we're indoors. It's very quiet. Imagine what this would sound like outdoors with no echoes along the walls. Adjustable hinge here. Bumpers in the back. Very quiet unit. Great to run in residential areas without